When we first came here, we sat on the hill. Well, when we first came here in February, it was very cold, and I said, ooh. And then we came back in May and looked at it, sat on the hill and looked at the view and thought, no, we've got to do it. And we did. It's a landscape here really, and it's so good for the soul. If you're feeling fed up and you come out here, it just makes it easier somehow. It improves life no end. I'm Chris, and I run the bed and breakfast here at North Hill Farm, which we've done for the last 25 years or more. I used to be a journalist. I ran a farming newspaper, which I packed in when the B&B started to get successful. In the last few years, I've published 3 books, 2 novels, and the last book is all about this place and all its ups and downs, which some people find quite interesting. The cost of energy is a big issue with running a place like this. I originally went with EDF because I'd been looking around and comparing prices, and theirs at the time was the most attractive. I decided to go for a fixed contract with EDF because of the predictability of you know what you're paying. I find the EDF MyAccount very useful. I look at it quite a lot to check various things. My accounts on there come up side by side, so I can switch between them. The main usage of the power here is our electric auger, which is an absolute godsend when you're doing breakfast because it keeps the plates warm and it gives you a lot of scope to move stuff around. When you've got guests coming in late, you can keep it hot till they arrive. The eggs we use at breakfast are laid with what I call the egg workers, my hens. The sausages are from a very nice butcher in Ludlow.
Ooh, thank you very much.
Living where we do, I'm very concerned about the environment. I mean, around us here we've got so much wildlife. We try constantly to be more sustainable. When the outside rooms are not in use, we just turn everything off so that there's no power wastage. We decided to put solar panels in because the price has come down considerably to what it used to be. It seemed the right thing to do, and the solar panels have made a big difference to my bills on the days when the sun's shining, probably making it at least a third cheaper. And now that I'm on the Smart Export Guarantee with EDF, I'm getting a bit back, but also you feel quite good about putting a bit into the grid. Every little helps, as they say.